Now I can control my iPhone with my voice commands. Take a look. Open Google. Go to home. Open YouTube. For this, you just need to turn on simple setting in your accessibilities, which is known as voice control. After this, you can also control your iPhone with your voice commands. Like this, there are so many hidden iOS features that many users don't know about this. So in this video, I am going to share 10 hidden iOS features that nobody is talking about them on internet, and those tricks are going to blow your mind. Many of us have faced this, that sometimes we will reach to the bottom of a particular web page to search something. After this, we have to scroll a lot again to reach the top of that page. But in iOS, there is a simple trick. You just need to press on your time or battery. It will reach to the top of that page in just a seconds. And this trick will work in each and every website. And many iOS users don't be aware about this trick. They will copy text in iPhone as in a routine way that how Android users also do. But this hack makes a unique one. First, select the text that you want to copy and then swipe in with your 3 fingers, that how I am doing, and it will copy your text. And swipe out with your 3 fingers, it will automatically paste your text. This iPhone trick is going to save your time. Now you can share your screenshots more faster than previous one. Just take your screenshot and long press on it. Here you can see different types of applications in which you want to share. Select that. Do you know that your iPhone informs you if someone rang your bell or somebody's baby is crying around yourself? This feature helps you when you are listening music in very high volume. Head over to your accessibilities and then enable sound recognition option. In the bottom you can see sound option. Here you can see different types of sound. Select the sounds that you want to get notified. And here is the next one, which is going to be super helpful for you. You might have faced it that some of your elders ask your phone to use specific application, but they take a look all over your phone. This iPhone trick won't allow them to do this. Head out to your accessibilities and then turn on guided access. After this, whenever you are going to share your phone with your elders, just triple tap your lock button. This feature will turn on. Now they can't shuffle any other application. And if you want to turn off this feature, again triple tap your lock button and then enter your password that you have kept. That's it. In many conditions, we use our phone with a single hand. At that time, which is not possible to reach to the top of our phone with our single hand. At that time, you just need to swipe down on your gesture bar. It will automatically turn on your one-handed mode. And one more pro tip is there with your gesture bar. If you swipe right or left on your gesture, it will automatically shuffle your recent open applications, and it will also work in both Android and iOS. This is one of the biggest problems in an iOS user's day-to-day life, that we have to press multiple times on back tap button to go back. This trick is going to save your time. You just need to long press on your back button. Here you can see multiple options to go back. Choose that according to your usage. I think this iOS features many iPhone users don't know about this. They will use their single finger to close their recent open tabs. Do you know that you can also close 3 tabs at a time in your iOS? You just need to use your 3 fingers to drag up. It will automatically close 3 tabs at a time. That's it for today's videos, guys, and let me know in comments which iOS feature is more helpful for you in your day-to-day life, and follow for more tech videos like this.